Hello, this is Brian. One last time on the return from Circle Mountain. So I'm just about back. There's a gate right there. The road should be like 30 feet from that, if even that. And it's nice to get out on another one. I'm going to try to not let so much time go between, adventures, because I love being out there. I love broadcasting them, well, recording them, doing them, of course. But I like to go to these different spots and just get out. Just think of something positive. I got off at work at 2 o'clock, and it was a very, 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 very rough day. But I'm grateful I have a job. A lot of people are getting laid off and everything, so that's why I'm still showing up to work. And I work in grocery retail, so that's considered an essential business. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't be working at all. But I do appreciate the fact that I am working. I'm hoping that continues. We'll see. You see my Jeep right across the street there. And here's another beautiful Prunus fasciculata verdifasciculata. See that white spot underneath the little road sign there? That's my car. This was another awesome day. It's a really short one, but it was awesome nevertheless. Felt good to climb a mountain again. It's been sorely lacking in my life. It's pretty steep coming down, I'll tell you. Probably good to have trekking poles on a hike like this. Well, there's an interior live oak right here. Quercus wozozeni ready for tessins. Nice specimen. Ready for tessins meaning shrubby, and this is exactly what it is. A beautiful shrubby interior live oak. Well, this was another hike. And before I go, right over here, I got a pale silk tassel, Gabriel flavescens. One thing I noticed is on the way back, I noticed there were a lot of interior live oak thickets. Obviously recovering from the fire. A lot of interior live oak thickets around here. But this is the only Gabriel flavescens I saw the whole day. Pale silk tassel. So, yeah, it's an awesome day. Great to be out. And like I said, I'm probably not going to be hiking as much. Obviously, not hiking as much this year because of what's going on. A lot of the places I want to hike, like San Gorgonio, San Jacinto, will probably be closed off for the whole year due to the social distancing. Those are extremely popular mountains. So I'm just going to have to do what I can to find some more random peaks. This is going to be the year of random peaks. So be prepared for a lot of peaks that probably not many people know about, because you just might find them on the. I'm going to be looking at topo maps. Boom, this looks good. Boom, this looks interesting. This looks interesting. So it's going to be that kind of year. I do a lot of those anyways, but I think this year I'm going to be doing it much more. But that's the end of this one. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I mean, you couldn't really see much, I do apologize, but the weather was very cloudy today. It's becoming much more socked in right now. So firebreak over here. I'm gonna have to do some research where this might lead. This could potentially be an adventure for another hike. I'll have to research this. But parting shot of a shrub pretty common on this side of the San Gabriels, Amelanchier utahensis, Utah serviceberry, just starting to leaf out as we are going into late April right now. And I guess that'll be it. See you on the next adventure. Hopefully it won't be 2-3 weeks, but it probably won't be like right away. But we'll see what happens. If I get 2 days off together, I'll plan something a little more intricate. But enjoy this interior live oak again. Beautiful specimen right here, Quercus wislesenii frutescens. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next hike. Remember, if you go out hiking, just find places that aren't closed by the Forest Service, like some trails are, and keep your distance from other people for now. Best we can do. So look for less popular places. And I will see you on the next video. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.